How do I access the heating element on my Kenmore 700 series dryer?
Hello from Ja, my name is Woody. I will be glad to assist you today. I have been servicing all major brands of appliances for 33 years, and have over 100,000 in-home repairs and over 50,000 phone and internet repairs under my belt. Can I please have the full model number of the unit to better assist you? Open the oven door, it is on the face frame.
This isn't an oven, it's a Kenmore 700 series dryer. Model 110.67751600 serial MT 4313009.
I meant dryer door. If you remove the bottom front kick plate, the element is on the right side on the base of the unit. You have two clips on the top of the panel about 1 inch in from the corners, then it will fold down and you can pull it off.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.